After the snowstorm today, it's not so bad. People are cleaning up the streets. And I'm trying to take a small walk in this place. I'm a little bit confused. You guys are doing a great job. Not that bad though, considering the last snowstorm, right? It's only the ice that makes it bad. Yeah. Have a good day. It's good that you do it now though, because later on it's going to be ice and it's going to be harder. Have a nice day. It's the cold that makes it a mess. It's wind. Yeah, it's true. Take care. My neighbors are trying to shovel snow in the park because it's very windy and of course the icy conditions are really don't make it any better. Well, everyone's stay safe in the storm, drive safely. Have a magnificent day, try to make it your best.